Okay, so once you have created your site, there are a bunch of different things you can do to edit it. The first thing I like to do is go to the gear up here in the upper right corner, and I'm going to go to page settings. I'm going to take away the show links to subpages. I'm also going to take away, if they are checked, allow attachments and allow comments. That way, when you create pages, you don't have people commenting or attaching things to your page. Now, if you want to add another page to this, right now you only have your home page. Let's say you want to add another page. Up in the right-hand corner, there is a page with a plus on it. You'll click that to create a new page. You're going to name your page. I'm going to name mine Test. You can put it at the top level, or you can put it at under Home. I typically put it at the top level. And then all you do is click Create. It'll open up your new page, and then you'll click Save. Now here you can see that I have an Add Files and a comment spot. If I wanted to get rid of those, I would go to the gear again, I would click Page Settings, and I would uncheck the bottom three boxes. You would need to do this for every page that you create. And in a minute you'll be able to see them go away. Now let's say I wanted to add some things to this page. I'm going to click the pencil to edit. Now the only things I can edit in here are the text box and the header. So if I wanted to add some text, I could say, "Hi, how are you?" Now to change some things with this text, you can highlight it and change the size. You could change the color. You could add a background color for that section of words. You could even link something to that where they would click on "Hi, how are you?" and it would take them to a link. If you wanted it to be centered, could click center. A lot of what happens right here is a lot like Microsoft Word. So now I want to add something else. If you go to Insert in the upper left corner, you're going to have a whole lot of things you could insert. Let's say you wanted to add an image. You would click right here. You'd upload your image from either your drive or your desktop if you're working on a desktop computer. The biggest thing that you'll probably end up linking are either YouTube videos, and if you clicked on YouTube videos, you would paste the URL of the YouTube video in here and then click Save and it would pop up. A lot of people will probably insert things from their drive. Maybe you want to insert a video or a presentation or a document from your drive. It's as simple as clicking Document. It'll pull up your documents from your drive. You'll click on one of them. You'll select it and save it, and up will pop it. Up will pop your drive. You can center that if you would like. You won't be able to see the document, the words on the document, until you click Save. It'll look just like this until you click Save. Once I've clicked Save, it should pop up and show me my technology handout right in my website. So I can scroll through and see what my technology handout looks like. Let's say I wanted to add a sub-page under Test. I can click the pencil. Just kidding, I'll click Save. To add a sub-page under Test, you'll click the Add page. Now this might be Practice. And you'll want to put that under Test. So you'll click the circle next to that. And it'll change where it's located. You'll click Create. Your page will pop up. You can click Save. Remember, if you don't want the Add Files or the comments, you'll go to the gear. You'll do Page Settings. Uncheck the bottom three boxes and click Save. Those should go away. And here you'll notice that Practice is now under Test. Let's say you put it in the wrong spot and you want to delete that page. I'm going to delete the Practice page by going to the gear, going to Delete Page. It'll ask if I really want to delete that. I'll say Delete. And your page should be deleted. It'll keep the test page, but Practice will now be gone. Now, if you want to share this with other people, all you need to do is click the share in the upper right corner, and you'll be able to give people editing or viewing rights just by adding them to your invite people slot. Right now, I have anyone in the Cambria-Friesland School District can find and edit mine. I can change that, so maybe only specific people can see this. And then I just click save. And now I will have to enter everyone's name of the people that I want to see it. Make sure that if you don't want them to edit your page, that you click view instead of can edit.